you there. Oh, good boy.
It's been
Thank you, bud. Good boy.
day
You gotta close the fridge, though.
without you, my friend. And I'll tell
Go get me a beer,
you
bud.
all about
Go get a
it
beer.
when I see you
Get me a
again.
beer, buddy.
We've come a long way from where we
What's that?
began.
What's that?
Oh, I'll tell
That
you
looks like a
all
beer.
about it
Oh,
when
yeah,
I
it's a-
see you again.
That's a good boy.
When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a
Good
long
boy.
day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began.
We started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn. And that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Outside. And what about my shoes? Bring them here. Shoe? Thank you. What about the other shoe? I got 2 feet. No. Remy. Hey. Come here. Hey. We don't need a dish towel. Now where's my shoe? No. Hey. Shoe. No. No. Yeah. Shoe. Where's my shoe? Hey, come here. No, come here. Yes, hello. Yes, hello. You're a good boy, eh? You're a good boy. You're Remy. You're a good boy.